and welcome to today's 1-minute tip where I'm going to teach you how to play some very happy jazz piano, and it is not that hard. We're going to start with the left hand. You only need to know 4 chords. First chord is called a C9 chord. Second chord, A7. Really jazzy notes here. Third chord is called a D9. Super simple. And then the fourth chord is called a G13. Okay, really simple chords. Now you can put the roots in the bottom. It sounds really cool if you put a little C in the bottom, A in the bottom, D in the bottom, and then G in the bottom. Now on the right hand, I'm just improvising using one simple scale called the major blues scale. And if you want to learn more techniques on how to solo over this particular chord progression, check out our soloing over a turnaround course over at pianowithjohnny.com.